Hello, our dear students. Today we are going to study lesson 2 in algebra in unit 1, comparing and ordering rational numbers. Comparing two rational numbers. The first example, we have here 5 over 12 and 7 over 12. We want to know which one is greater than the other, okay? By crossing multiplication, as we studied before in grade 4, let's see. Yes, it will be 12 times 5 equals, and put it up, 12 times 7 and put it up like that. It will be, in the left hand side here we have 60, in the right hand side we have 84. So another example, 1 over 4 negative 5 over 6. By cross multiplication we get 6 times 1, 4 times negative 5, it will be 6 in the left hand side and negative 20 in the right hand side. Which is greater? So we have quarter greater than negative 5 over 6. And now, what meant by the density of the rational numbers? Yes, between every two rational numbers there are infinite numbers of rational numbers between them, such as we can say that between 1 over 3 and 2 over 3 there are other rational numbers between them. By multiplying them by 2 for the both numbers, we get, yes, 2 over 6 and 4 over 6. Between 2 over 6 and 4 over 6 we have 3 over 6. Let's have some examples. First one, find 4 rational numbers between 1 over 2 and 5 over 7. By an easy way, let's have the solution. Yes, cross multiplication for those numbers and make the denominator the same by this way. 7 times 1, it will be 7 in the left hand side. 2 times 5 in the right hand side, it will be 10, and down the denominator will be 2 times 7 is 14. So the two new numbers we have will be 7 over 14 and 10 over 14. We want now to find 4 rational numbers between those numbers. Do we have between 7 and 10 4 numbers? No, we have only, after 7 we have 8, yes, 9, and we get 10. So we have only 2 numbers between 7 and 10. We want to those numbers to be greater than that, so we multiply up and down the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Let's multiply by 10. Yes, it will be 70 over 140 and 100 over 140. They become greater, so we can find between them more than 4 rational numbers, but we want only 4 of them. It will be 71 over 140, 72 over 140, 73 over 140, and 74 over 140. Another example, write 2 rational numbers lying between 1 over 2 and 4 over 5. By the same way, cross multiplication, 5 times 1, the denominators times each other, it will be 2 times 5. So the new numbers are 5 over 10 and 8 over 10. We have two rational numbers between 5 over 8 4 over 10, sorry, and 8 over 10, like that. So the numbers will be 6 over 10 and 7 over 10. Write two rational numbers lying between negative 3 over 4 and negative 2 over 3. By the same way, we can do it by cross multiplication, like we said before. Yes, in the denominator we have 4 and 3, so the common is 12. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Yes, on the other side, the second number is negative 8 over 12. By multiplying the two numbers by new fraction will come 3 over 3, 4 over 4, any number we choose. To make the fraction greater, to find two numbers lying between those 8, it will be, yes, negative 9 over 12 times 3 over 3 and negative 8 over 12 times 3 over 3. It will be negative 27 over 36, and the other number, it will be negative 24 over 36. So we can find the numbers between those numbers. We want only two numbers. The two numbers between them are negative 26 over 36 and negative 25 over 36. Find the two rational numbers between 0.3 and 3 over 5. Before we solve this example, we must make this decimal number in the form of, yes, in the form of rational number a over b. So it will be 3 over 10, like that. Yes, so 0.3 will be 3 over 10. Now we have 3 over 10 and 3 over 5. By cross multiplication for both numbers, yes, we get 5 times 3 will be 15 over 50, because the denominator are 10 and 5 times each other will be 50. Yes, 15 over 50. 10 times 3 is 30 over 50. So we have here 15 over 50 and 30 over 50. We can get only two numbers between them, but there are more than two numbers between 15 and 30. Okay, it will be, yeah, 16 over 50, 17 over 50, and so on till we have 30 over 50. We take only any two numbers of them. Yes. So the two numbers, 16 over 50 and 17 over 50. Another solution is 18 over 50, 19 over 50, 20 over 50, or 21 over 50. Any two numbers between those numbers are true. Arrange the following rational numbers ascendingly. We have 7 over 5, 0, 9 over 5, 2, and negative 1. Before arrange those numbers, we must make the denominator the same for each number we have. Okay, it will be 7 over 5, 0 over 5, 9 over 5, 2 will be 10 over 5, and negative 1 will be negative 5 over 5, like that. So now we can arrange easy. From the smallest number to the greatest number, so we have negative 1 first, 0, 7 over 5, 9 over 5, and the last number is the greatest one, is 2.